Part 3 of the Keeley files. Don't kick yourself in the face. You're headbutting your feet. What are you doing? I have a feeling that she's going to be like, she could literally just be like this for the next hour or so. I think he's questioning whether or not I've stolen her from him. He's like, if she lays an egg and it turns out looking like you, I'm not going to be amused. It's hard to describe to someone the joy that you can have just hanging out with some birds flying around and landing on you randomly. Because it's like they only tend to preen with people that they feel comfortable with. It's like how beautiful she is. They're doing it and everything. It's just, I can understand why you like her. Ooh. My legs are going to sleep so badly. Oh. I honestly don't think she's ever sat on me for this length of time before. It's got to have been about 15-20 minutes at this point. We'll see if there's another part 4.